Welcome back. This is poem 7th Animals, written by Walt Whitman. And now I'm going to explain this poem to you. So here we go. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self contained. I'd stand and look at them long and long. So here this line says, the poet condemns the human society and human behavior. They are full of evil and have superfluity in their lives. But on the other side, he admires certain qualities of animals and feels this drag. He says, he might turn from the human society and choose to live with animals because they are calm and quiet. They are contented too, which means they are not at all so highly desirous as humans are, who are so materialistic that they always hanker after wealth accumulation, hanker after high social status, besides gaining political and muscle power. All of these qualities, features are missing in animals. And so he stands and looks at them for long and long hours in admiration. And so he cannot take away his eyes from these innocent animals out of appreciation. The next part now. They do not sweat and whine about their condition. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Not one is dissatisfied, not one is demented with the mania of owning things. So here this line say, here the author points out another quality of animals. They do neither have aspirations nor have any regret in life. And so they are not desperate to make a massive change in life. Even they don't complain about poor conditions in life. That is, they are satisfied. That is, they always lead a satisfied life, a contented life. As there is no high ambition, so taking a shortcut or a wrong way is an unlikely situation, and therefore no regret for committing sins and hiding face from public. They do not talk of religion and share ways to gains with blessings from prayers to God. Not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. So they show their relations to me, and I accept them. They bring me tokens of myself. They evince them plainly in their possession. I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? So here this line say, but the animal world is so different. Here no one kneels, that is, accepts willingly others' authority, either from his own race or out of race, which lived even many generations ago and had been greatest of all time. No one is respectable in their society, and no one is a servant. That is, there is no master-servant relation. Not even one can be found who isn't happy about his life in the entire world of theirs. All these qualities of them corresponds or matches with that of the poet, and so the poet has acceptance of them in his life. These animals are his identicals in character and qualities which they display in life every time plainly. The poet wonders where the animals receive those virtues which he acclaims highly. He questions himself if he had dropped those qualities, those features, very, very long time ago in a casual manner. So this is all. Thank you.